Hello viewers, hope you're doing well. Today in this video, we will see how can we delete the user from the Firestore in React. So let's get started. As you can see, the dashboard component. So I'm going to duplicate the table cell inside the table head. Let me update here the caption that we have action. Inside the table body, I'm going to add here the table cell tag where we have a two icons button. First, we have edit icon. Second, we have delete icon. On the click of the edit icon button, we are calling the method that is a handle update user. Inside the argument, we are passing here the user ID. And on the click of the delete icon, we are calling the method that is a handle delete. Inside the argument, we are passing the user ID as well. Now I'm going to duplicate this method, update the method name that we have handle update user. Inside the argument, it will get an ID. As you can see, the instance of the use navigate. Inside this, I'm going to add here the backtick, and here I'm going to add the path for the update user page. So it will be a /user/id/edit. You can verify the URL of the update user component inside the app.js file. As you can see, /user/id/edit. After this, let me duplicate this method, and I'm going to update the method name that we have handle delete. Inside the argument, it will get an ID. Inside this method, we have the try and the catch block. The catch block will catch an exception in case of API failing. Inside the try block, I'm going to call it the method that is a delete doc. Inside the argument of this, I'm going to call it the method that is a doc. Inside the argument of the doc, I'm going to pass here the DB object that we have created inside the firebase.js file in the utils package. After this, I'm going to pass here the schema name that is a users. At the last, I'm going to pass here the ID that we are getting in the argument. So it will be a wait. After calling the method, I'm going to call here the method that is a fetch users to get the updated list of the users from the Firestore. Let me check what else we are getting in the console, that we have edit and the delete icon not defined. So let me duplicate this import, and I'm going to import here the delete icon. So let me import here the delete icon. After this, I'm going to import here the edit icon. So it will be a /edit, and it will be a edit icon. As you can see, error removed. Now you can take a look of the dashboard.js file. Now let's navigate to the browser. As you can see the action column where we have two icons. First we have edit, second we have delete. So let me click on the edit icon. As you can see, it's navigating us to the update user page. As you have noticed, inside the URL, we are passing here the user ID. Let me click on the edit icon of this user. As you can see the ID. Now I'm going to post a new user. Let's click on the post user button. As you can see, the newly posted user. Before deleting the user, let me open here the inspect. Now I'm going to click on the delete icon of this user. As you can see, the user deleted successfully. After deleting the user, we are getting here the updated list. So that's all for now from my side. If you have any confusion, you can do comment. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.